Yo, before we start this video, why is 93.7% of you guys not subscribed yet? Make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and I do mean it, because if we hit 300 subscribers, we will be doing a chili chip challenge. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon, and enjoy the video, bye. Yo guys, you got TKM welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are trying to sit away Footlong items like, we've got the dippers, we've got the cookie, we've got the Cheerio. So yeah, I'm really excited. I've seen this all over my FYP here. It's been trending everywhere. Like, I remember last year when, or was it last year when America had it, and I said, I wish this comes to the UK. It's not very in America, and I never got it. I'm all gassed. So yeah, let's try it with the first item. What's these? No. I wanted to save the desserts for last, like the Cheerio and cookie. In my way that I went to, they got both dippers, so I don't know which is which. Well, I've got no sauce with it, that's that. I don't know what it is because it's not even labelled or nothing, it's just put there. So this one is, do you see that? I think this one's just plain cheese. It's gonna taste one minute. Just tastes bread. I still don't taste anything. Okay, no, this is actually with turkey or ham. I rate this like 5 out of 10 because it's a bit bland, isn't it? I don't know if it's just me, but I find it really well. And then let's try the next dipper. Let's try to open this properly. Yeah, this one's definitely orange cheese, I think. Let's see if it's got a cheese pool. Let's see if it's got a cheese pool. No, a cheese pool. I wanted a cheese pool. The plain cheese one's my favourite. It's got more taste. I'll rate it like a 6 out of 10 because it's got more flavour. But it's kind of plain. You know what I mean? Like, it's got nothing in it. Now, let's try the Cheerio. Oh, we did get the sauce. It's got a dip. I'm going to try it with and without, so I'll be ranking them both. So let's get the Cheerio up. And put the sauce down. Got the sauce. That's the caramel sauce. Yeah, it actually looks so good, man. So yeah, I'm going to put this back in here. I should put it separately in my opinion, like not in the bag. So yeah, I'm going to tell you what I think of it. You can tell it's fresh, man. Here's Footlong. I'll rate that at 9. I want to see if the sauce makes it better or worse. The only thing I like from Wingstop, I hate Wingstop, but the only thing I like is their Cheerios. I want to try a video and try eating Wingstop with 24 hours because I hate it. I'm joking, no, probably won't do that. How much sauce in that? I think the sauce ruins it a bit. So I'll rate it. With the sauce, I'll probably say like a 6. Without it, just 9. Now the most thing I've been looking forward to the whole time is the Footlong cookie. Oh, you know how crazy that looks? That looks so good. How do I even get this out? Oh, okay, I guess like that. Okay, how do I bite into this? Go in fast. I'm so excited for it, man. Let me try again. It tastes bland. Why does it taste bad? So different. I'm going to try one minute in the microwave for a minute and I'll come back to you. So when it's cold, I'll give it like a 5. Not too bad, not too bad. See this, guys, it smells like cereal now. It smells like cereal, but yes guys, I just warmed it up, as you can see. And then let's see if that tastes better. How do I get this out again? Okay, apparently we're going to take one different end out. It's making a mess now. Warm me up didn't do anything, man. Still tastes boring and bland. Yeah, it does taste bland and boring. Yeah. Boring and bland. So yeah, I would rate it, let me think. Rate it like a 6 out of 10. When it's warm. It's bland, but you can taste the chocolate chips and everything. I need to find the best cookies ever, in my opinion. Because the cookies taste like Subway, so they're not that good. And Sainsbury's dunk, probably Sainsbury's, but I don't know. I want to try every single cookie in a video one day and see which one's my favourite. So yeah. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Have a great day. I love you all.